Diary entry 265. We have to wear these suits to breathe the air. The apocalypse has turned our landscape into a fiery swamp. Hopefully, we can escape this place. We've heard of a utopia. What is that? They broke in. I'm gonna get out of here. They broke in. We'll get out. Right now. I was walking by the water dam. I looked up. So there was some electricity in there. And it seemed like it was dead. Was dazed. I was dizzy. I walked over. There was nothing left. Hopefully. Hopefully, we can escape. I'm heading to Quinzel Security to look for parts to build a vehicle. Hopefully, we can get there without any problem. I arrived at Quinzel Security. Hopefully, it has the required parts to make a vehicle. Most of it has been destroyed and set apart. With the power still on. Seems that there are destroyed experiments. And broken machines. Something came through here. It ravaged apart this place. What's behind here? And this. We gotta get out of here. I knew it. This thing that came through the can't come back here. found a small power still on. Some stuff's broken. I think I can live here. I was sleeping until I heard something. What was that? I heard something up here. What is this? What? Hello? What's this? What are those? I gotta get out of here. They blocked that off. I gotta get out the other side. Hopefully, there's an exit. Here we go. Seems a whole thing. You can show that. Let's go in this house. Maybe you can't find me. Maybe you can't find me. Get up. I woke up. I'm weak. I floated here from Everton's. Let's go. I was walking along the harbor here. Found 2 boats. I think I'm finally gonna go to the Utopia. Hopefully it's there. This is just a myth. Hopefully, for my sake, it is. I got here. The Utopia is here. They said I could come in. This might just be luck for the next few years. Diary entry 266. They gave me a house here in the Utopia. It seems that they're friendly, but they're suspicious. And I've heard conversations of an enemy that they have. I can't see anything. I gotta get out of here. I'm driving through. I gotta get out of here. Some people think I'll rather surprise. I gotta get a boat. Gotta get out of here. Finally, boat. Just let me rest. I need to get out of here. Hopefully. This was tragic. We were building something. I'm pretty sure that's why the people came here. Yeah. I found survivors in the state. Diary entry 268. I decided to live out the rest of my days in leak chemicals. Utopia was destroyed. I found survivors here. We can survive here. Goodbye. So that's the last entry we could find. Whatever he found, it's not there anymore. Please put some mods in the comments. Also put in the comments if you want a part 2 to this. Thanks for watching. Bye.